Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 50 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So before we get started, you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box. Now additionally, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well, but I have that, so that's what I'm going to be using. And number two, if you're using a case, you want to take it off. Now the tray is located at the bottom of the phone, as you can see right over here. And you want to pop it out by placing the pin on the edge right here in the hole that is part of this little cutout. Now, it looks like someone was already using some kind of pin that damaged it, but oh well. Anyway, let's just push it in and the tray just pops out. Once you take it out, you have space for, oh, I apparently lied. We don't have an SD tray. So I'm just gonna throw that out and only utilize the SIM tray, because that's the only thing we have. We have a dual SIM tray, so we can place a card on either side. Unless this is a nano memory, but because this is apparently not a Huawei product, I don't think it should have it. So anyway, let's just pop it back in, and the card should immediately start working. Now hopefully it won't change the language. Okay, it does not change the language. So as you can see, once I put in my PIN, it unlocked the card, and that's basically it. So that is how you can insert your SIM card, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.